Welcome back to the video. It's good to have you all here.
Good morning, fellows. Hi, we're doing an intro here for our video, and yeah, we're sitting out by our beautiful sightseeing waterfront. It's very nice this morning. It rained like crazy last night, thundered. Were you scared last night?
Yes. I was very scared.
You were scared?
Yes.
But anyway, so what we're doing today is going to the farmer's market in Sarasota, and I guess we'll bring you guys along. Sunflowers.
Hey guys, we're waiting on our pizza. We're still here at the farmer's market, but we're waiting on our pizza. It is so kind of loud and busy here, but yeah, we're enjoying it.
Thank you.
So yeah, here at the farmer's market they had a section with really fancy cars, and my hubby was just in awe. He was in his glory land. This guy is so happy. He's in his dreamland. $500,000. Apparently this was one of his favorite cars there. $329,000.
It's a house.
It's a house for this Bentley here. Wow. So yeah, he also really liked that one. But then when the car next door turned on, he about jumped out of his skin. He was so happy. Alrighty guys, we just got finished at the farmer's market, and we come back to our car to find what, babe?
No, I don't want to say anything.
What did you find?
It's just a pink letter.
A citation parking, which was 43 bucks.
Yeah, what a waste of money.
Because we went a little bit over an hour. Hey, it is what it is. Anyway, what are we doing now?
We're going to the beach now.
We're gonna go to the beach, even though it's kind of cloudy today, but we're still gonna go.
I think it'll get better soon.
Yeah. So we're headed to the beach. Alrighty guys, we are here at the beach, and it is really cold.
Not cold. Is it cold?
No, it's windy.
We're not wearing sweaters.
It's cloudy and windy.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to rain. Apparently there's even, what, flood warnings?
Yeah. But like this morning, we're told it's gonna be like nice and sunshine, but apparently not.
Yeah. So we're sitting here at the picnic table trying to decide what we want to do.
Florida, I tell you what, their weather app is like barely ever correct. Especially in this time of season, like it can rain anytime, and yeah.
Yeah, in the summer it's rainy season here. So don't expect to go to the beach in the summer, even though that's when you think you go to the beach. You don't. You go in the wintertime.
You go in the wintertime.
This is where we're currently hibernating in the trees. Because it's really windy out there. Guys, I just turned around and now I'm headed back. But look at it, just billowing. Wow, that is some black smoke. Oh, all these people were nicely working and all of a sudden they don't get a job. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Alrighty guys, you were seeing me on a different day. I was editing, I was with my husband, and we just got done carrying 10 bags of salt. How big are the salt bags, babe? 40? 40? 40 pounds. 40 pounds each. So 10 bags of 40 pounds, anyway, you add it up. So, I realized I forgot an outro, so here's the outro. I hope you have a very blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this video, because it means a lot. So if you did, please subscribe and like the video. So, have a very blessed weekend, because I'm going to be probably putting this out on a weekend, which is an extra video. So, I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, have a blessed weekend. May the Lord be with you. Goodbye.